We're gonna fly to Ukunda. We're in Nairobi at the airport here, and we're gonna fly to Mombasa. We're on safari in Kenya. Over here, masks are required when you go in an airplane. So I got a mask here. We're in Nairobi on safari. And we're gonna be flying to Ukunda. Right now, I'll show you the airplane we're gonna fly. It's a small one. Subscribe. I just get it over here. That's the airplane we're gonna fly. Right there. And that's him. He's having fun. He's enjoying himself. I'm gonna cover my mouth. Alright. Subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.